Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix net ERR underscore cert underscore common underscore name underscore invalid in Chrome. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is that you need to update your browser. Proceed to the Google Chrome, make a right click, click for open so that you can enter or proceed. Now expand it first. Navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Scroll down. Locate your cursor here at the help and this ones would appear. Proceed to about Google Chrome. And the Chrome's under the Chrome settings helped, you can see their about Chrome section and then it will automatically check for updates. So in my case, it marked here Chrome is up to date, but in your case, if not, then don't worry because it will automatically update it for you. So please wait until the procedure would be finished. Once done, it will ask you to relaunch it so that you can completely or successfully update your Chrome. Click for relaunch and it will be reopened. In that way, you'd be able to check if the problem has been resolved. Yet, if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to try to temporarily disable the firewall or the antivirus. How we can do that? Proceed here at the bottom search bar. Please type for panel. And from that, you can see a best match, which is a control panel system. Click for open so that you can open the control panel window. Now change the view first like this. Proceed to view by click on this down arrow key. Select for large icons. Once done, proceed to the fourth column. You can see there Windows Defender Firewall. Click in it. And at the left navigation, please click for Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Turn it off both under private and public network settings. Click for OK. Once done, go back to your browser and check if the error has been resolved. Okay? Yet if not, then you can try to change the DNS server or DNS settings. Press Windows key and R key together. Type for ncpa.cpl. Click for OK. And at the network connections, if you are connected to Ethernet or network cable, click on here. And if you are connected on the other hand for Wi-Fi, select this one. Make a right click, click for Properties, and under the Ethernet or Wi-Fi properties, find for Internet Protocol version 4. Click for properties here. Set the obtain an IP address into automatically turn it on and use the following DNS server addresses turn this on. This one's preferred DNS server set it into 8.8.8.8 and the other which is alternate 8.8.4.4. Once done, click on OK so that you can set it up. Close the window. Restart your computer, navigate here at the start, proceed to the power menu button, and click for restart. Once done, check if the error has been resolved. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.